The future promised to us in sci-fi movies is officially here. XPeng's dedicated flying vehicle division, recently rebranded as Aridge, has made a monumental leap forward. The company has officially transitioned from concept sketches to the mass industrial assembly of the world's first commercial flying cars. What is it? The engineers at Aridge rejected the traditional concept of a standard sedan with folding wings, which proved to be too complex for daily use. Instead, they designed a unique modular platform, officially called the Land Aircraft Carrier. The system consists of two separate components, a massive three-axle, six-wheeled ground vehicle and a fully electric two-seater flying drone that completely hides inside the car's trunk. This setup is brilliant. The ground vehicle acts as a mobile garage and a heavy-duty charging station, capable of fully recharging the flying module up to 6 times. How it works in technical specs? The ground module is a powerful all-wheel drive hybrid van with a staggering total driving range of over 1,000 kilometers. When the owner wants to take to the skies, the car's rear roof section automatically slides open, rails extend, and the flying drone deploys its carbon fiber arms. The aircraft features a distributed propulsion system with 8 independent electric motors and propellers. For maximum safety, the drone can land securely even if 2 motors fail simultaneously. The cockpit offers a stunning 270-degree panoramic view and can be operated manually with a simple joystick or flown fully autonomously via autopilot. Factory, pricing, and release date? Aridge has already completed its smart manufacturing plant in Guangzhou. It is the world's first automated assembly line capable of churning out a finished flight module every 30 minutes, aiming for an annual capacity of 10,000 units. The company has already locked in over 7,000 pre-orders worldwide. The largest international contract for 600 vehicles was signed with Middle Eastern buyers, following successful piloted flights in Dubai. The final price tag is expected to hover around 2 million yuan, which is roughly $280,000. Early limited deliveries for scenic tourism will begin by the end of this year, with full-scale commercial market availability scheduled for 2027.